Hello. In this lesson, we will discuss about quantifier. Let's get started. Quantifier. Why we learn quantifier? To create a proposition from a predicate. We will learn quantifier. And how? By expressing the extent to which a predicate is true over a range of elements. Alright, let's see. Quantifiers are two types. One is universal and another is existential. Let's talk about universal first. Universal quantifier is denoted like this. Universal x, p of x is the proposition when p of x for all values of x in the domain. Say you have a statement like x is greater than 3, just suppose, and for all value of x the predicate is greater than 3 will be true. Then this statement will be said universal quantifier or universal quantification. Alright, let's see example. Let q of x be the statement x is less than 2. What is the truth value of the quantification universal x, q of x, where the domain consists of all real numbers? Alright, first, I don't know if you know about real number or not, so I define what is real number like this. Real numbers are -4, 0.5, √2, 2, 3, etc. Alright, so for all real number x should be less than 2. Then this q of x will be true for universal quantification. As we set x 3 is a counter example for the statement of universal x, q of x, because 3 is not less than 2. So this universal quantification is false. Alright, let's talk about existential quantifier. It is denoted by like this, opposite E. So existential quantification of x for p of x is the proposition where there exists an element x in the domain such that p of x. This means suppose x is greater than 3. So there should exist at least one value which should be greater than 3. This will then call existential quantifier. Alright, let q of x denote the statement x equals to x plus 1. What is the truth value of the quantification ex, existential quantification x of q of x, where the domain consists of all real numbers? So you name it, you set some value. Is it possible for x equals to x plus 1? I don't think so. So there exists no x. That is why existential quantification for q of x is false. Alright, hope you will stay well. Till then, goodbye.